Okay, so I bought this keyboard, and usually when you buy things on the internet, you look them up on YouTube first and decide if this is a good thing or not, because the internet's a scary place. So I didn't see a video of this keyboard that really explained it and like went into some depth about it. So I guess that means I have to do that. So this is my review of the iKBC F104 keyboard by Vortex. It's got a lot of interesting features. It's $85 which is great for its price range, but it was $40 shipping from Australia, which is the only place I could find it reasonably. It was eBay. You can get it from the MECKB eBay store. Is cheaper than their site, and then Banggood also has it. It's got MX Browns in it, and it's really fun to type on. Like, I'll just type and type and type and type and type. It's just let's go through some of its features. It's got the keycaps are PBT and double shot, which I mean, people on the internet tell me that's a good thing, and I guess I believe them, so I don't know if you should too. That's up to you. It's got a metal back plate in it, but the outside housing is plastic. It has cherry stabilizers, which are both a good and a bad thing. People say the other stabilizers are better, but these stabilizers are really easy to remove. You get in the box, you get this keyboard, you get this egg whisk, which is but it looks like one egg whisk, but it's really like two in one, see, like that. And then you get these 6 extra switches, which 2 blue alts, 2 red controls, and then 2 green shifts, and they're also double shot, which is fantastic. So I already put the blue alt on. Come on, yeah, and it's because I don't like looking at the Windows logo because I use Linux and Mac, whatever. So what you do is you get the egg whisk out and you do that. Oh, okay. Well, I already took it off, but you can see the MX Brown in there. If you can, it's really fun to type on. This is the switch. Where is it? This is a switch here. It's a PBT and a double shot. You can see that because double shot, the font isn't like 100% perfect. It's kind of blobby. That's because they had to inject it or whatever, and you flip it over. I don't know if these are good. These people tell me that, and I believe them. So it's a good first keyboard, I guess, right? And then just to put it back on, all you have to do is you make sure it's correct orientation. You just put it on there. You wait for it, and you go ready, right? Bam, and then boom. Boom! It's a good keyboard. It works. Let's see. I'm using OS X right now, and it's really the functions and stuff it's hard to set up. So it took me a while to figure out. I had to manually install this tool to change these to what I want, like brightness, and then desktop, and then the manual's in Chinese, and I cannot find it anywhere in English, but I know if you hold FN and if you hit F12, it turns on this light, turns it on and off. No idea what that does. And I also don't know what that circle means. I also don't know what, there's a Windows lock on the Windows key there, or there was at least, and there's the word app on the X key. I don't know what any of this means. It's a huge mystery. But the keys themselves are they're really nice. You can see they all kind of have this, I don't like the fact that the font's italicized, but you can see it's kind of they're not perfect. They're all blobby, but what are you going to do about it, You should be looking at your screen, not your keyboard. Let's see the back side of it. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, so it's got, cable goes in there, it's not detachable, but it's got 3 routing points. In the feet, there's 4 feet. 2 on each side. You can there's the second foot in there. And that's this keyboard pretty much. And You know, it's a great keyboard. I mean, yeah. So you can. I'll do a typing test, I guess, with one hand because I have to hold the camera. MX Browns are, you know, they're MX Browns. They're nice. Sometimes you just like to go there and just, you know, you don't even like to do anything. You just, I'm not even, you know, just typing. It's just, it feels good, you know. I don't think there's anything else I have to cover. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I hope this helped you decide if you wanted to buy this keyboard or not buy this keyboard. And if you have the manual in English for this, please send it to me. Thank you.